Welcome to Real Cam Files, the raw, unfiltered truth from the front lines. Here we break down real police encounters, frame by frame. If you're into justice, adrenaline, and real footage that tells the full story, you're in the right place.
Why am I getting put out?
I have to document what happened.
Look at him.
Will you give me your name?
Yes.
When's your birthday?
He's just going out to destroy all my stuff, my makeup. He's just a hater. He's telling me stop going to work looking like that.
So
He's just destroying all my stuff.
This was a suspicious. I was over there on the ambulance call. It was a suspicious car. I heard yelling, pull over, stop them. I told her leave the area. She was actually he was driving.
Can y'all please walk with me? Please, I will show y'all some proof. Please just walk with me. Please just walk with me.
Did he hit your vehicle with a stick?
It don't matter, yes. It don't matter. Can y'all just please walk with me, please?
Where did he hit your vehicle with the stick?
There, and he tried to break me in. But can y'all don't have to do nothing. Just please listen to me. He hit me, and I'm not doing none of that, okay? No, it don't even, no. He just got a problem. He's under the influence. He's trying to go to the police station. He just really destroyed my whole room. But it's okay.
The hotel room?
Yeah, he destroyed all my stuff I have in there.
20 and 22 Crown Central.
Do you want to press charges for any of this?
No, he might want to. No, he might want to, but he just under the influence.
What's his address?
We don't have one.
Are you guys homeless right
yes.
now? Okay. I told you you had to leave. Or go to his car. Hold on. He just wanted to be by himself. Why did you come back?
Because I was coming to get my stuff. He told me lay him in the room, and then he started throwing my stuff everywhere.
Don't want to have nothing signed.
No, but he's gonna try to point. He's gonna try to make it seem like he's victim. That's what he do. He has anger issues.
How long you guys been together?
9.
You guys have kids?
No, he under the influence right now. I don't want to lose this place because we don't have nowhere else to go right
We're
now.
just 2 minutes in, and the tension is already rising. Notice how the officers stay calm, even though the suspect is starting to raise their voice. This is a textbook example of verbal escalation and how officers try to control the energy early on.
Obviously tension, and before it escalates to him damaging your property in the room.
I did nothing wrong. I worked the whole week.
But initially, when I first came there, I told you guys to split for the night.
He tries to play victim. I literally worked the whole week. No sleep. I didn't get no sleep. He controls me. He's a narcissist. And I deal with it. I don't put nobody in my business.
Well,
my mama don't. My mama
like I just told him that. It's probably time for you guys.
He's a addict. Okay, he has an addiction.
Get away from him.
I hear you don't have nobody
Obviously, you ain't
else.
helping him if cops get called on you guys twice in one night.
That's him telling people to call the police.
You guys are gonna split up for sure. You're not even gonna be allowed to talk.
Marlon.
No, do not talk to him. You stay here. Now you got police involved in your relationship for the third time tonight.
So what?
You're not talking. You're gonna stay here with me, and we're gonna figure this out. But you guys are splitting up for the night. And if you, after this time, I'm giving you a lawful order with Bodycam. If you go back and speak with him, text him. Quiet. You go back, speak with him, see him, talk him or anything, I'm going to have to arrest you because I told you cannot.
So I can't text.
You cannot.
Okay.
Not for tonight. Stay here. Ma'am.
So what's happening?
Stop. Stay
Hello?
here. Stay here.
You getting?
Now pay close attention. This is where things start to turn. The suspect's body language shifts. You'll see hands moving unpredictably and stepping out of position. Officers are trained to spot these micro movements before something happens.
Hey!
Stop. He's not getting away.
Yes, he is. That's my stuff.
Ma'am, you're going to get arrested. Stop.
Here.
Go back over there. What are you doing?
That's my stuff.
Ma'am,
My
stop.
dog is in there. That's my service dog.
Okay, ma'am. You're gonna get kicked out. Stay back here.
What is he getting? That's my property.
Ma'am,
That's
I don't
my
want to arrest you,
property.
but you gotta back up. I'm trying
That's
to be
my.
nice.
I hate this. Y'all winning on his side. Y'all some. Y'all This is my room. This is my Don't touch me.
Ma'am, stop.
Don't touch me.
Ma'am.
Why is he in my room? Why is he in my room? Why? Why? Why y'all willing to arrest me? Don't say nothing to me. No, my dog in there. That's my dog and my clothes.
Ma'am,
That's my stuff.
You're not going up.
That's not right. Y'all is petty. That's my stuff. That's my card. That's my card. You see my mouth bleeding and y'all let him in my room. My belongings is in there. I don't care. Don't flash like.
Ma'am, stop.
Move.
Stop. Do not put your
Don't
hand. Ma'am.
touch me. Don't touch
Ma'am.
me. Why has he got my card?
Ma'am.
This moment right here is the turning point. One wrong move and it goes from a talk to a takedown. You can hear the stress in the officer's voice. These aren't just orders, they're warnings.
That's my
Stop.
That's my
Stop. Ma'am.
That's my
Ma'am.
Let me go. Why y'all let him go? Why y'all let him? No, that's mine. I bought it. I have a receipt for it. I have a receipt. I have a receipt. He's broke. Don't touch me. Go get my. Go get my.
Ma'am.
Go. Don't touch me. No.
Hands
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You're gonna get resistant.
Why
Get down on the
you
ground.
touch me? I'm smart. You buddy. Let me go. Why are you touching me?
Well, because you just slapped an officer.
I didn't slap him. I got it on record. You racist. I got it on record. Y'all let him go. It's too tight. I'm a liver transplantation. Maybe
24-hour warning custody, ag back to PO.
I can't believe I'm calling my doctor.
Sitting there.
I'm calling my doctor. Y'all trying to let him go. Look at my mouth. Look at my mouth. You ain't want me. This domestic abuse. No, I'm calling my doctor. It's too tight. It's too tight. Look at my stomach. 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 I'm a liver transplant.
For 43, everyone's
Look at
tempo.
my mouth. Man, let me go with my stuff. Let me go.
Come on, we're gonna.
Don't touch my phone. Let go of
Oh, I
my
didn't
phone.
know. Yeah.
I'm calling my doctor.
24, can you actually?
I'm calling my doctor.
please?
Let me
What are
go.
you trying to say so I can tell this much?
Yeah, I'm sorry. To battery. Just tell them battery. Not ag.
I ain't touch you. I ain't
It's
smack you.
okay.
I tried to get away from you. I didn't smack you. I got you on
Okay,
record.
just relax.
Stop pretending. Stop pretending.
Miss Portia, relax.
No, you arrested me and put his hands on me and I'm
8.
bleeding.
By now,
Don't
things are
touch me.
physical.
These are my
And here's the
keys.
legal key.
No,
Every single
no.
action from here
I'm
is
calling
going to
my-
be
I'm
scrutinized
calling
in
my
court.
doctors. I'm a liver
Use of
transplant
force
patient.
begins the
I told
moment
you
an
I can't
officer
breathe.
touches a suspect, and Bodycam makes it all transparent.
Y'all let him go.
Now, here's
Let
something
go
you
my
don't
stuff.
often see. The officers trying to de-escalate mid-conflict. That's rare under pressure.
This is my
Watch
stuff.
how one of them steps back. Not out of fear,
Y'all let
but
his hands
control.
go. Look at my mouth.
It's about re-engaging smarter.
Y'all let him go.
As backup arrives, the atmosphere changes again. Suddenly there's strength in numbers, but also more risk. One mistake by any officer and everything can go wrong. But here, it stays tight, controlled.
Let us fix the cuff.
Let me know if you want this turned into a full video script.
Give me my phone. I'm suing you. I'm a liver transplantation. White officers is white.
Stop.
My grandma white.
Stop.
I ain't dead. Man, kill me.
Portia, relax.
Look at my mouth. Record this. Look at my mouth. Record this. They resisting me. Let go of my stuff. They too tight. I'm on my period. I'm on my period.
Hold on, we're gonna.
Release my cuff. They too tight. My cuff too tight. My cuff too tight. They're too tight. Release my cuff. They're too tight.
Still.
Look at my stomach.
Stand
I'm a
still.
liver transplant patient. I cannot breathe. My blood is low. Where am I going?
Let's stop right here.
Why?
Because you're getting charged with battery right now. It's just a misdemeanor.
I'm not getting. I
You're
don't
gonna
have a background. No.
You're gonna get an I-bond. Don't make this any. Ma'am,
Leave me
you're about to get
alone.
an E. Just
Don't touch me.
stop.
Don't touch me.
Ma'am, you're gonna.
Y'all just trying to charge black people with anything. Y'all hope y'all mama's dead. Don't touch me. Don't f***ing touch me, Terry. Give me, no.
I gotta put your seat.
No, don't touch me. No.
Lean back.
No. No. He hit me and y'all arrested me. He hit me and y'all arrested me. And look at my lip. Look at my lip. Why am I getting charged for something he did? He like this. Y'all oh, fuck. Let me go. Let me go. I've never been in trouble. This man just hit me and getting away with it. Why y'all letting him get away? Ma'am. You wanna act like you don't hear me?
I can hear you, but I'm not gonna listen. You're yelling.
Okay, I'm gonna talk to you.
Can I explain one thing to you?
I have never been in trouble. This man wanna ruin my life.
Okay.
This is ridiculous.
I didn't know if he needed the keys.
He's not my, that's my car! That's my car!
He's not getting the keys.
He is so evil. I really didn't do it. I hate this man so bad. I can't, this cuffs is too tight and you got this on my neck. You have, look into where you got that, it's on my neck. Y'all are racist. I'm suing all y'all. Especially you, because I cannot breathe. Why is this on my neck? I'm a big Why is this on my neck? Why is
Would you like me to pull over and fix it for you?
Why is this on my neck? Why is this on my neck? And loosen up my cuffs.
Your cuffs are loose.
No, they not.
Yes, they are.
No, please, just let me go home.
Let me move this for you?
Can I talk to him?
Can I move this
Okay,
for you?
officer, please, can I go? I don't want no background. This man just put me through a lie, I promise. I'm sorry.
Let me
You're about
put
to
this
go
in here.
home.
I don't want a misdemeanor, sir.
It's just a, it's.
I don't want no
It's
background.
a ticket. That's literally.
I don't want a ticket, anything, sir. This man just hit me, please. Please just let me go.
Is that better?
I have a
Is that better
train.
for you?
I'm finna be a train conductor,
Miss Portia,
please.
Miss McNew.
He's a loser. Look at his background. He's a window
Can you listen to
peeker.
me?
Please
You're
don't.
literally gonna be in and out in 30 minutes.
I have a recording of him. Wait,
Okay.
listen. Don't shut the door, please. I have a recording of him saying he gonna fuck my life.
After finishing the booking process at the jail, Portia was released within 45 minutes of her arrest for attacking a police officer under Illinois law, but immediately made it the officer's problem that she didn't have a ride home.
They are putting me
I'm
at
gonna
the
walk you to the
building.
front over here. Come here. Come here. Miss Jones. Miss Jones.
It's cold.
You need to leave the
You
property.
gotta leave the police.
It's cold.
You can wait in
We're
the
gonna show you the
Please
way.
help me.
We're gonna show you.
It's
where to
cold,
wait.
sir.
Come out here.
Miss Jones, come this way.
Here, I'll talk to you. I want to talk to you. It's a black man. He
You need
told
to
me
leave
that
the property.
He won't talk to you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Leave the property. That's
Over
it.
here.
You don't have to come. Don't come. Nobody does anything for me anyway. Leave me alone. Don't come. Hello. Don't have a ride.
You have a
My mom's
phone.
about to die. It's about to die. Please,
You
just
need,
take me home.
you need to wait in the
I
vestibule.
just get off work.
You
7
need to
o'clock in the
leave
morning.
the
Please, I don't have a cold.
Let me show you where to go.
Please just
Show
take me
you
home.
where the vestibule is.
Don't say y'all gonna take me
No,
home.
we can't. You are.
I'm not here.
Here, let me show
They
you.
not taking me home. Up
Stay.
the street, please.
I cannot. No.
Why you can't? Can she take me to you?
Miss, no one's taking you home, Miss Portia. Come,
Please take me home.
come follow me. Let me show you where you can stay for a little bit.
Listen to this. Please, can you take me home? I haven't been
Come
aggressive or
stand
nothing.
over here. You cannot.
I'm on my period. I need to go home.
Miss Portia, please. Come.
Please just take me home.
Come follow
I'm
me.
just acting slow. I don't have a cold.
I'm gonna show you where to stay where
But
it's
y'all just take
warm.
me home. Y'all block
I
me.
cannot.
Just to take
Miss-
fingerprints. Please, I'm on my period, man.
24. Can you show me
She
back
said,
out,
"Let's
Miss
go,
Portia?
let's
Let's go.
Because they being racist. They're racist.
Nobody's
She's racist. No, she's racist. She don't like black people. It's on speaker. My phone's finna die. Please take me home. Please, don't talk to me. You already let me know you don't like black people. Can you please take me home, sir?
I cannot.
Can you talk?
I cannot. No, let's go. You are free to go.
I'm in by the casino. What's the address?
Okay. All right.
She was charged with battery and resisting or obstructing a peace officer.
If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Real Cam Files for more intense, real-world breakdowns. New uploads every week. Stay sharp, stay aware. Let me know if you want